Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video we're going to do unboxing for Tonic Kraft kit, and this kit called Serendipitous Purse Box. So the first thing, we have this pen and the color is black. Next we have a Mica Mist color blue. I really love this shade. I will not use it today, but it's good to have it. Next we have Sequins 25 ml and the color is spring rose. Then we have this tiny Novo glitter mousse, let's say, or glitter paste. Next we have a crystal drop and the color is navy blue. This scissor is mine, just FYI. Yeah, and here is the color, so beautiful. Next we have glitter marker and the color is wild mulberry. It's my first time to try this marker, or the Novo glitter marker. So you have to push the nib down so all the ink and the glitter will come out. Then we have tape runner, adhesive tape runner. Now let's see the fun thing. Now we have Serendipitous Purse Box die set. It's over 20 dies. And also we have the stamp set, to create a tag for thank you. And you will see now when I try, to create some treat boxes. So elegant. I feel it's for wedding because of the elegant and the intricate dies, but definitely you can customize it and color it and make it fit for any occasion. Now let's see the papers. So we have a classic card, we have smooth card, we have mirror card, specialty card, and glitter card, and also foiled Kraft card. So I'm going to create treat boxes, a card, and shaker tags. And let's jump in for the tutorial.